Raise the presser foot. Press the needle up-down button to raise the thread take-up lever to its highest position. Draw the end of the thread around the upper thread guide. While holding the thread near the spool, draw the end of the thread down around the check spring holder. Firmly draw the thread up from right to left over the take-up lever and down into the take-up lever eye. Pass the thread through the lower thread guide. Slide the thread behind the needle bar thread guide on the left. Lower the presser foot. Raise the needle to its highest position. Make sure the power switch is off. Pull down the needle threader knob as far as it will go. The hook comes out through the needle eye from behind. Draw the thread from the left guide to the right guide and under the hook. Draw the thread to the front along the right side of the right guide. Raise the needle threader knob upwards, drawing the thread loop through the needle. Pull the thread loop from behind until the thread tail is through the needle eye.